This question comes out every year, and yet students keep failing it. Why? Let's read it. What is the atomic mass of triatomic elementary gas with vapor density of 48? So that means we have vapor density of, let me use VD, equals to 48. But because they mentioned triatomic, that's where students get it wrong. The triatomic there is just to make you confused of what to use. There is a formula that actually relates atomic mass and vapor density together, and the formula is molecular weight, or you call it atomic mass, equals to 2 times vapor density. Just direct formula, 2 times vapor density. So that means your atomic mass or atomic weight equals to 2 times 48, and that gives us what? And that gives us 96 gram per mole. It's as simple as that. So the answer is option B. See you in the next video. Bye.